Yes, guys, good night, welcome to your girl Deb's kitchen vlog. Yes, guys, but tonight it wasn't me cook, guys. My sister came home. She was home and she said she's gonna prepare me dinner. I said go ahead and prepare dinner, and she did prepare some brown stewed chicken with Irish potatoes and also some vegetables, yeah, and white rice. So guys, I'm gonna make my plate right now, guys. They're gonna stick and stay until I make my plate, guys. Okay, guys? Alright. Dinner was made. Look at me. Yes, guys, I'm tired. So, guys, this is me making my rice warm in this. That's my hot steamy rice, guys. Yes! And then take some of our veg. You know me, I'm a broccoli person, so yeah, right here. I'll leave some back for her. You know, I'll tear this up, eat it all, but no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, yeah. And then, me, I'm gonna share my meat, guys, but right now, I'm gonna share my meat. Hold on, guys. Yes, hot and steaming. Hot and steaming. So this is my gravy. So that's my chicken, guys. My vegetable. Yep. And we're gonna have to have our avocado. Yep. Avocado in a plate. Yay. Avocado in a plate. I'm gonna put this now. Right here. Avocado in a plate. Yay. There you go, the avocado in. Yeah? Yes, guys. And that's my dinner, guys. Thanks to my sister. Yes. I've got dinner. So, guys, good when you have family. Yeah? We all can cook, but I love it more. So, this is it. Brown stewed chicken. The stewed chicken. Smothered chicken. Whatever you call it. We call it Jamaica brown stewed or stewed. Yes, and you guys call it over here smothered. Yes. So, smothered chicken with some cabbage and broccoli. And I get some spinach. My avocado, guys. So, guys, that is it. Yeah? Stick and stay. One love. Peace.